Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I'm going to be doing a follow-up video to my last video where I found the bug in the Glowforge UI smart folders that they added here. I realized that I didn't show you guys where it was failing, and I do have some recorded clips of that if I need to, but I'm going to try and do it live here so you can see that as well. So what I was talking about is when you're on the home screen of the dashboard now, this recent design section will let you pick up and drag and drop these, but it won't let you do it up here, which these I would assume are intentional where you can't drag and drop them. But for your recent designs, it will work some of the times when you drag and drop it into the My Stuff folder, and then sometimes it doesn't work. So I'm going to show you that My Stuff folder is blank here. Go back to the home screen, and then we're going to just drag and drop like this one into the My Stuff folder. We're going to see if it adds. It didn't show up the actual black image that it's supposed to here, but if we go back into the My Stuff folder, it does show the black image and it added fine there. So now we're going to do that with a couple of designs. I'm going to show you how it adds for a couple of them, and some of them don't work potentially. And sometimes it does. So this is kind of hit or miss. I'm going to just do these three designs. We're going to go into My Stuff. As you can see, here's the original error I was talking about. It says that it added it only after I went into My Stuff, and then it's not added in here. It's a complete blank page. And then if you refresh the page, it'll show up, but those other designs probably won't show up here. Only that one will. Oh, see, it's not even updating at all. So before, in my pre-recorded bug that I was originally reporting on, whenever it showed up that tag at the bottom, just like it did with this mini Christmas tree, it would show up the design. So there should be 3 more designs in here from the home screen. And if it wasn't a bug and that they don't intend for you to move it to this folder from the home screen, why is this one working here? So you let me know in the comments below. I just wanted to do an updated video for the people who were saying that it was probably not a bug at all, and they made it intentionally where you can't add from the home screen. But this shows you that you can add from the home screen there. But that's pretty much it, you guys. I just wanted to do a follow-up video just for those who had questions about it. I'm sure they'll patch fix this or make it known whether this is intentional or not for us to be able to move from the home screen. Either way, whether it is or isn't, it's clearly a bug because it's working half the time and half the time it isn't. Other than that, we'll catch you guys in the next one.